What a dick having a kid, bro. It's not even a kid, it's his dog. It's his dog in a baby carriage. Whoa, easy, bro. Ah, my hat. I gotta put my hat on better, bro. Oh, I got cruise control, bro. What am I doing? Oh my god, dude. Alright, I got my hat up in my sweater. Looks like a big belly. Oh my god, dude. Is this the real thing, dude? I got cruise control, bro. I like how I can set the cruise control and just mess with my stocks while I'm riding down the road. This is where I almost hit the turkey. Oh God! Come! Hey! Hey! The fuck, dude? Oh my god! Fuck yeah, dude! Oh my god, that just made my day. Dead squirrel. Be careful, dead squirrel. 2 dead squirrels at once, bro. Yes, dude. Wow, bro. How'd that happen? They probably went out there as friends and died as friends. Oh, you fucking buzzard son of a bitches. Look at them. Yeah. Or vultures. What are they? Buzzards or vultures? Dude, they're vultures, right? Vultures, yeah. Yeah, they're eating good today, bro. They're eating good today. Don't try to catch up, bro. Don't try to keep up with me, dude, okay? That's where problems happen, bro. I'm just saying, dude. Ride at your own ability, dude. With someone on the back. Yeah. Why is Spotify playing, dude? What the fuck? Alright, hold on. We gotta wait for Maxy to catch up. What, dude? I'm just being real, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm at first. Jesus, I was like, why is it winding up? Wish I had, like, super gear on, bro. I'd go faster. I got some pretty good BDU pants on now. They're pretty strong, dude. But it's not like wearing my Dickies. My Dickies are fucking, like, titanium, bro. Cars coming, bro. Yeah. Oh shit, dude. Oh, my bad. I was gonna wait for you again, bro. My bad. Don't do it, bro. Hey, rocks, or a little bit of them. Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh, bicycle. You want to take a break or keep going? Oh, a cheater. Look, I cut corners. I cut corner, bro. Fuck. You do? Wish I had knobby tires on, man. I want to go through the dirt. I want to go through this dirt, man. Yeah. I got a fire blade to do this shit. I want to do off-road shit, dude. You know what I mean? This actually rides kind of good up here. I guess I'm kind of glad it's got the street tires on it though, you know? Rock. A rock. There's a rock and then some little baby ones. God, I keep flicking my bright lights on, dude. I'm wasting power here, dude. Yeah, I'm wasting energy. Ooh, shit, that's a little tight little turn right there. That was where I jumped off the rock to avoid the rattlesnake, dude. When you and Gabe were up here, I jumped off that rock when I heard that fucking rattlesnake that one day. When you and Gabe were up there and I was filming it. It was like a 10-foot drop, bro. That might have been 5 feet, whatever. Fuck is that, dude? Is that a nest up there hanging off the fucking tree? Did you see that? There's like a big green fucking pumpkin hanging off the tree, dude. Not a pumpkin, like a ball of leaves, dude. Like a big nest, bro. Oh, fuck, I wish. I've been climbing that. I've been climbing it, bro. Wish it was a pot of gold. It's a pot of gold tree. Do they? Because they can't sell it. You might want to talk them down to like 30,000, bro. I don't know. I don't remember. You good? Oh no, I thought I heard something. I did. I thought I heard something like scraping noise. That's why I waited. I'm trying to remember where that. I think that was a broom spot. Maybe. I thought maybe it's up here more. Not this one. No, there's a pull off before or right after it. It's right here. Right there, bro. Yeah, I believe so, but that's where the broom is. That's where the broom is, though. Yeah. You just gotta crawl through some brown recluse webs and shit. Which I'm not gonna do it. Because I don't like them. Hey, the road's not bad, dude, for not too dirty. Like, there's not a lot of kickoff on the corners as much, on the inside too. You know what I mean? I think we reached the summit, bro. There's a big rock right here. There's a big rock. Big rock. Big rock coming up, dude. You see the big rock? Alright, well, I don't know if you heard me, so I like said it over and over and over and over. You know what I mean? Just to be sure. Is that bars? Ooh, that wasn't good. Little gravel. Little bit. I call it like I see it, bro. We're at the summit, dude. We made it. We made it. It's a success. You are? They're close.